are DM Tech, manufacturer of fire alarm system. We are manufacturing conventional and addressable part. Our facilities are in Pleven, Bulgaria. Everything is made and designed in Europe. I will start with our small addressable panel. We have one loop addressable panel. We produce in metal and plastic box. The small panel, one loop panel, is small, reliable for work and very budget. Very cheap panel. It's comfortable for work and for installation. This panel can be through repeater. You can connect up to 16 panel. With if you connect this panel with cable, fire cable, the distance between the panels is 1 kilometer. If you connect with optics, it doesn't matter. The distance is no matter. The connection with the panels with the repeater is with RS485. You can connect all these 16 panels with one repeater, but the RS45 is necessary to have for each panel. The addressable fire alarm system consists smoke detector, heat detectors, combined detectors, and manual call points. To the panel, you can connect also conventional line using conventional line monitoring module. We call it adapter. For the detectors, we have new contacted system. As you can see, the contact is under these plastics, and this help to be safe during the installation, during the work with them. Nobody can go and broke the contacts. Very important thing is that the contacts are gold plated. This is very important to know. The manual call points, very interesting for him, is this is resettable. When you push, after that by key, you can reset it. No need, it's not breaking glass. One thing what is very important is that with LAN interface you can connect to the fire alarm system all over the world with PC and on your phone. All information what is showing on the screen of the repeater you can see on your PC or on your mobile phone. This system consists input-output module, one input, one output module. Also, we have 3 inputs, 5 outputs modules.
Are you the manufacturer? And where are they made?
Our new products. This is 2 to 4 loop addressable panel. We show here. This is not different panels, they are the same, just we want to show the color. We produce in metal box white and anthracite colors. This panel can be connected up to 8 panels with RS485, but the difference between the 1 loop and 2 and 4 loops is that here is not necessary to have a repeater panel. Here you connect, as I told, with 485 RS. Also, the same here with the LAN interface, you can connect to the system, you can see the information on your PC and on your GSM phone. Also, here you can, there is
your site is mentioned on that?
Heat
Your
detector,
website is mentioned
siren, manual call points, and smoke detectors. About the siren, our siren is with flash. It is more than 100 decibels, the sound.
200. It supports 200 devices?
Yes. One very important thing that we produce when our base is producing. It is from the mode machine. This, here you can find the key for locking, and also one plastic for label. You can put your label of the number of the address here. This label, as I told you, when you buy your base, you can find here the key, and you break, so you can put here under the base before the installation of the base. That's all. For more questions regarding our addressable system, you can connect me. You can find my phone number on our website www.dmtech-ltd.com. Thank you.